the late Prime Minister Edward Seaga always said, it takes cash to care. We've seen many national teams that have been struggling regarding funding, and people tend to jump on board when they reach the higher heights. But speak about the importance, or maybe you want to put out an appeal to Jamaicans as Sports Minister, the fact that there is monies needed at the building stages as well.
FIFA provides funding. The Jamaican government, through my ministry, provides funding. And we also have the Athletes Insurance Plan, which covers them. And it provides wide coverage: health, life, and accident. And we make sure that all the girls, before they go into the tournament, that their coverage, everything was in place. You would find that it is never enough. The girls have had the support of people, of the JFF, of the Jamaican government, and of some private sector. That is why they got here. And why they have achieved what they have achieved at this point is through their sheer determination and inspiration that they've got from Jamaica.